In this lesson, we're going to go over assignment number 2. Let's start. So the first thing that we have to do is create a folder, and we're going to give it a name as my website. So let's go ahead, right click, new folder, and just name this folder my website. Okay. Then we are going to create 2 web pages. One is index.html and the other one is about me.html. Keep in mind that every time we create a website, our default page will be always index.html. So every time you create a website, you always have to create your index.html. So let me just go ahead, create new. Sorry about that. Just go to Sublime, new file. I will save this file and just call this one index.html. It's here, okay? I'm just gonna go ahead and create another one, save, and this one would be about me.html. Click save. Now I have to, add all elements to create a website, which is the HTML, and then which is the head tag, and finally the body tag. Okay, I will just copy it and paste this code inside my index.html. So now I have my 2 web pages. So inside the index.html, create a link, and the link will be called my bio. So I am here inside my HTML index.html. Just to make sure, I'm just gonna type on head 1 and say something like my link for now, and then just create a link. As I mentioned before, this link will be called my bio. Okay, that's the name of the link, and it should open about me that HTML in a new tab. So the reference should be the file about me .html, and of course, because I say that we want to open in a new tab, we're just gonna say the attribute target and then use blank. This will allow it to open a new tab. So for now, let's just keep going. So when you click on my bio, it should open. Okay, I did that one already. Inside the about me.html file, add a heading, my bio, and add your biography there. So I don't have one right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put a heading, which is H1, say my bio. And then I will have something here. Just say my bio, okay? So I'm just gonna repeat this a few times. So it looks like I have a few, a few words here and there. Okay. I'm just gonna click save, file, save, and I will do the same with the index just in case. So I'm allowing you to use or reuse the same that you have inside the assignment 1. So for assignment 1, I ask you to answer a few questions about yourself. So you can just go ahead and just go ahead and copy and paste it here inside about me.html. So inside the about me.html file, create a link anywhere you want, like this. Go back to the index page. Okay, so I want to go ahead and here, gonna copy a link, and I will type go back to the index page. Okay, then here, to go back to the index page, it will take you back to the index.html. Okay, and you don't need to open a new tab. So once I'm here, just gonna go ahead and just type index.html, and again, I don't have to open this in a new tab. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click save. Just make sure again to click save on index, because trust me, sometimes you do that, but I don't know what happens, and then like it doesn't work. So okay, so at the end I say here add those two files to the folder my website. So just go ahead, highlight these two files, and just bring them inside my website folder. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead here and I'm just gonna click on the index page. And here I have my link. Just gonna close this. Here I have my link, which is my bio, and I am inside the index.html. I'm gonna go ahead and click there. It's supposed to open a new tab inside my about me.html. And if you notice on the end here, okay, when I just put this thing on top of my bio, you will definitely see that it will take me to the about me.html page. Okay, so far, if that about me page exists here, then I should be fine. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead and click, and there you go. So I have my title, which is my heading here, which is my bio. You can just have everything here, and then you just have a link that will take you back to the index.html, which is basically the main page. So click there, and voila. So it works. Okay, so that's all you have to do for this page. It's always good idea to make sure that you send back the user in a friendly way to the main page. Okay, so for example, this is the main page right now. I'm here, I like your website, I'm looking around, and then I just click on my buy. I want to know more about you, but you could have like a menu here. We're gonna do that later. You can have like a menu, say home, about, contact, everything you want. But also it's always good to tell the user like, hey, if you want to go back, you can go ahead and do this here, or just add something where you want the user to go next. Okay, so for example, if you have a business or something and you want the users to, let's say, to know about you first, okay, or to look at the prices for any product you may have, you probably want to have like a big button here saying know me, or like whatever you want to say. But the thing is, like, something that called their attention, that is being call attention. We're gonna do that later. And then they click there, right? And then once they go back to whatever you want them to go, then give some a little signs. Where do you want the user to go next? Of course, the user can do whatever they want. They probably don't want just keep looking at your website. They probably don't want to They just want to get out of there or whatever. But always drive the user wherever you want them to go. And you're doing that by just giving the like little tip here, like okay, now that you are in my bio, what about if you contact me? So make sure that at the end you have a something to say, hey, contact me, something like that, or let's talk, let's chat, whatever you want to add there. And this is all about it. So that's it for today. Have a good one. Thank you so much.